Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a glimpse of things that go on. Had a friend of mine call that does contracting, and they're taking down awnings at the Huntington Bank, and it's all aluminum, so he said I can have it. So come with me and then try and guess how much money we got in scrap. How much think there's there? How much money? Give me your dollar amount. Put it in the comments. Okay, let's look. $96. All right, about 45 minutes worth of work and driving, and we made $100, so almost $100, $96, as my middle daughter would correct me. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and hope you're renting dumpsters. Catch you later.